Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the refurbishing of some old JUTC buses. Now the government is short of buses. So they have ordered some new buses, but because of financial constraints, they can only bring in 100 new buses every year. So 100 more buses are coming in July of this year. And that will bring the total number that they've gotten in over the last couple of years to 171. Somewhere along the line, the ball was dropped, and JUTC didn't bring in any buses for quite a while, yet they needed them. So, what you found happening is they need to roll out 400 buses every day to service Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town. And they don't have 400, they have close to 200. So there's a serious problem. And not to mention, JUTC is not the Kingston Urban Transit Corporation, it's the Jamaica Urban Transit Corporation. They should be rolling out buses to the entire island. But they can't even service Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town properly. So what they have done is, in addition to bringing in the new buses, they have started a program to refurbish some old buses. So we are going to go through an article that gives an update on the refurbishing program that's going to happen at the JUTC. The government, with all its demands, cannot afford to buy all the new buses that we need at one time. The Minister of Finance and the Public Service has already committed to 300, of which we have 100 arriving in the island in July. We are hoping to order and pay the deposit for another 100 by the end of this calendar year, which will mean that by March-April 2025, another 100 new buses will be in the JUTC's fleet, the minister added. To supplement this undertaking, Minister Vaz said the JUTC has embarked on a refurbishing program that will see the company looking to introduce a number of reconditioned buses into the transportation network. These include 24 Golden Dragon diesel buses, with the JUTC through the government purchased in 2016. We are currently refurbishing 8 of them, which should be in the system in July, Minister Vaz said. The buses are to be refurbished at a cost of US $70,000 with a 2-year warranty and a lifespan of 10 years. A lifespan of 10 more years. Another 16 are going through the public procurement process, and hopefully we will have those by the end of this calendar year. Those 24 buses are specific buses to deal with the hill routes. Mr. Vaz pointed out, adding that 30 articulated buses are also to be refurbished. With the impending arrival of the new CNG buses, Minister Vaz said this influx into the system will enable the JUTC to employ existing buses to other routes. The entity will also be partnering with public passenger vehicle operators to provide transportation services to underserved routes. Those areas where we do not have enough buses that the JUTC now has franchises for, we will bring in public passenger vehicles to make up the shortfall, Mr. Vaz said. Alright, so that's the end of the update on the refurbishing program for the buses. Now, 70,000 US per bus sounds like a lot, but they are needed. The buses are needed. Because remember, Jamaica has no domestic air service. It has no train service for passengers. So the main way of moving around efficiently through the island is via buses. And you have taxis as well, or PPVs, but the buses are the most efficient way to carry a large number of people. So, guys, let us know what you think of this refurbishing program. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.